नमस्कार. जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद, श्री अद्वैत गदाधर, श्रीवासदि गौर भक्त वृंदा. Enunciating the significance of Prabodhini Ekadashi. The month of Kartik in Hindu calendar is considered as the most sacred and auspicious month. It is full of festivals, religious activities and rituals. Prabodhini Ekadashi is one of them. It falls on the 11th lunar day of Kartik month, October-November during Shukla Paksha. It is dedicated and celebrated as an expression of reverence to Lord Vishnu. The festival is also called Dev Utthani Ekadashi. Dev Utthani means to wake up God and Ekadashi means the 11th day. Prabodhini also means awakening. Hence this particular day is the day when some specific rituals are performed to wake up Lord Vishnu, the Palak, who takes care of the well-being of all the people on earth, the nurturer. It is believed that on this day Lord Vishnu gets up from his sleep after 4 months. The story of Lord Vishnu sleeping and awakening goes like this in the Trinity Brahma, Vishnu and Shiv. The onus of looking after the entire creation is up to Vishnu. Once he got so busy in fighting with the evil and restoring peace and order that he could not sleep for years and then fell asleep for a long time. Perturbed by his disrupted schedule, his consort Devi Lakshmi requested him to regularize it so that she too could get proper rest. Realizing the misery of his wife, Lord Vishnu decided to sleep for 4 months in a year regularly. Hence he goes to sleep on Devshani Ekadashi in the month of Ashad, June, July and wakes up on Prabodhini Ekadashi. Dev Utthani Ekadashi is very important for most of the people as it marks the beginning of the marriage season and other important ceremonies or projects. People wait eagerly for this day so that they can conduct marriage and other auspicious ceremonies. The 4 months period Chaturmas from Devshani Ekadashi to Prabodhini Ekadashi is considered inauspicious for such sacred functions as Lord Vishnu is asleep at that time. On this auspicious day, devotees take an early morning bath and observe fast. Devotees also throng to holy rivers of Ganga and Yamuna to take sacred bath on this pious day to sanctify themselves. Tulsi is the most common but holy plant in every Hindu household. According to Hindu scriptures, a woman named Vrunda, who was an ardent devotee of Lord Vishnu, wanted to be his wife. The Lord granted that she will be united with him in the form of the Tulsi plant. On Prabodhini Ekadashi, devotees perform Tulsi's marriage with Vishnu in the form of Shaligram, black stone from Gandaki river, worshipped as Vishnu. This ritual is performed as a good omen for the beginning of marriage season. The sacred plant of Tulsi is adorned like a bride with red cloth and flowers. Colored rangoli is made around Tulsi's pot. Floor designs are prepared using geru paste and rice paste, and images of Lord Vishnu and Lakshmi are prepared from it. Lord Vishnu and Lakshmi Pujan is performed with sugar canes, rice and some seasonal fruits and vegetables. A mandap is made around Shaligram and Tulsi using sugar canes. One of the sugar cane is broken and hung off the roof till Holi, when these are burnt at Holika Dahan. If one does not have Tulsi at home, planting it on this particular day is considered auspicious and that brings prosperity and good health. This Ekadashi also marks the beginning of sugarcane harvest, so Ekadashi Puja is performed by farmers. This day is celebrated with different rituals in states of UP, Rajasthan, Gujarat, Bihar, Maharashtra and some southern states. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare.